Pero, may
Ooh. What is up mga mahihilig sa mga... This is your boy Armin and this is my co-host.
Terence.
Welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranyan! For today's episode, may pustahan kami ni Boss Terence na sabi ko sa kanya, Boss Terence, ito na ba yung malulupit na mga blue talisman natin, Boss Terence?
So far, napako na ako dyan. Bakit may bago ba?
May pustahan kami ni Boss Terence na may papaamoy ako sa kanyang isang pabango na tingnan natin kung matatalo ba niya itong Legacy by Mason Asrar, matatalo ba niya yung kalandian nitong Art of Universe ni Latafa, at matatalo ba niya yung pagka-twist niya sa Blue Talisman itong si Turati Blue Electric.
Pwede nga.
Maniwala ka sa akin.
Ay nako, bago na naman.
Introducing Belixir Icarus. Ready ka na ba, Boss Terence, dito?
Game.
Sa mga nanood ng first impression ko, don't forget to watch my first impression and unboxing ko sa Belixir. It's a Indonesian brand na pinadala nila ako as a PR package. Sabi ko, sige, padala nyo lang ako tapos I'll give my honest opinion. And eto na, magkakaalaman na, guys.
Sige, game.
Saan dyan? Dito ba, Boss Terence? Okay. Ready?
Game.
Handa ka na ba?
Let's go.
Okay. Tingnan natin.
May nanalo na.
Gagi, goosebumps! Oh my God! Pwede nga!
You know.
Sige nga, describe nga.
Kagi, sobrang blue talisman na blue talisman. Seryoso. Guys, hindi ako mag-exage.
Sige, before we dive into this Icarus ng Belixir, let's describe muna tong si Blue Talisman, Boss Terence.
Teka lang ah.
Sige, take your time. Take your time.
Ikaw magdi-describe.
Okay.
Ikaw na lang, na-overwhelm pa ako eh.
Sige, no problem.
Sige, describe mo si Blue Talisman.
Actually, si Blue Talisman ex nihilo, for me, it's a masterpiece creation ni Jordi Fernandez sa brand na to. It's a French brand. It's a combination of Akigala wood na surrounded with citruses ng pear and mandarin orange and a little bit of clean musks and little bit of woody touch at the background. Ito yung pinaka nagsha-shine kasi dito, yung nagpapaangat sa kanya dito, laging pumuputok yung pagka-Akigala wood niya, yung parang pagka-peppery niya, which is the paminta, tapos yung pagka-woody balance niya and the patchouli earthy undertone, talagang tinutulungan niya yung mga citruses na nahihila niya lahat from top, mid, dry down, nasasama niya lahat. Yun yung kagandahan sa Akigala wood. While dito naman, sa Art of Universe, it's a very flirty take. It's a very more on parang fruity bubblegum, no? Etong si Art of Universe.
Parang siya yung pinakamatamis sa lahat.
Oo, nauumay talaga ako sa tamis and I don't like this one. Gustong-gusto talaga to ni Boss Terence. While ito naman si Legacy, hindi siya parang, how can I say? Hayaan ko si Boss Terence mag-judge nitong
Okay,
Legacy
ganito.
versus sa mga iba.
For a time,
Oo.
with regards to our previous videos, we both claimed na
Yes.
ito ang pinakamalapit sa Blue Talisman.
Which is the EDP version.
Oo.
Tama?
But, today parang, ewan ko ba? Okay, sorry, tumatalon na ako. Ito naman si Turati Electric. Actually, this is my second bottle.
Okay.
Although medyo nag-veer away na siya, andun pa rin yung DNA niya.
Oo.
Pero this, for me, focuses on the fruity aspects.
Yes. And aquatic vibes siya.
Mas vibrant siya.
Mm-mm.
Actually, mas youthful yung vibes niya for me.
Okay.
Pero, ito. Sabihin ko na ba, opinion ko?
Sige, sabihin mo lang, go lang.
Okay to this day,
Oo.
I'm sorry Mr. Legacy, pero hindi na, I don't think, para sa akin parang na-dethrone na ang Legacy sa pagiging closest sa OG.
Oo.
Okay, so ano yung difference niya?
Oo.
Okay, for a time,
Sige.
ito talaga yung pinaka-kahawig niya.
Oo.
Pero,
Sobrang lapit talaga nito dito.
pero yung kasi, pag wala kang ibang comparison, hindi mo talaga makikita yung differences eh.
That's true. I
Pero
agree.
yun nga, going back to what Armin said earlier,
Mhm.
ang Blue Talisman kasi, what makes this unique,
Mhm.
I'm sure you would agree, for a freshie, medyo naiiba siya eh. Kasi ang mga iba nagre-rely sa mga bergamot, mga citruses, yung
Yes.
medyo tarty.
Yes.
Ito kasi nag-focus siya sa pear
Yeah.
and yung mandarin orange. Anyway, yung pear niya, basically, straightforward, matamis siya.
I agree naman. Matamis talaga.
For some people kasi pag narinig nila matamis, ay, bagay ba sa initan yan? Hindi ba parang cold weather scent yan? Nagawa niya in a sense, matamis siya pero very transparent, parang blue fragrance pa rin siya eh. And yun nga, with the combination of the ginger, the akigala wood,
Oo.
nagpa-pop talaga siya eh. Yun yung
Oo.
signature ng Blue Talisman eh. Talagang,
It shines through.
oo, people can smell you eh.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, okay, balik tayo. Anong difference ng legacy? For
Oo.
me with Icarus.
Icarus
Tama
ng
ba?
Belixir,
Okay.
yeah.
Siguro yung pear nakuha nito.
Oo.
Pero ito yung combination ng pear,
And the mandarin,
and the ginger.
Grabe.
It's very fizzy.
Sobrang sarap.
Medyo nakuha niya yung pagka-fizzy nito eh.
Oo.
Okay, yung Akigalo, yan na naman kami, Akigalo.
Akigala wood, yeah.
Kikikik na naman. Ang twister eh. Yung Akigala wood, ito talagang very evident siya dito.
Yes, very present naman talaga eh.
But, off-cam, sinasabi ko kay Armin, I really hate the dry down of Akigala wood fragrances.
Oo.
Parang ayoko talaga na pag nawala na yung top notes, nagsisettle na yung middle notes.
More on Akigala wood
Yung-
na lang talaga natitira.
Oo, talagang yung woody, peppery aspects niya,
Oo.
I don't like it eh.
Yes.
Pero ito, ay hindi ko siya nakikita. Well, hindi rin ako magtataka kung wala siyang Akigala wood.
Oo.
Kasi I don't think may access yata sila dun sa ingredient.
We never know. Malay mo. Hinar nila si Jordi Fernandez as a secret perfumer.
But
Pero we
Honestly-
never know. Pero grabe yung pagka-execution nila na they tried to maintain and capture yung talagang kung paano ba talaga ginawa yung Akigala wood. Pucha, mapapamura ka talaga na
parang
grabe yung Akigala wood dito.
Parang-
But it's just an accord or maybe it's just the real Akigala wood that they included in here.
parang hindi ko alam parang ang nakikita ko, yung pagka-ginger niya, inamp up niya ng konti para maging fizzy siya.
May
Or
pagka-fizziness.
hindi ko alam black pepper ba yun?
Oo.
Or
Paamoy sa skin mo?
and even yung mandarin orange.
Grabe yung mandarin orange. Let me quick give you a tour story about sa mandarin orange. When I was in high school, yung mandarin orange na yan, may kinakain ako dating pastry, Boss Terence, na laging may mandarin orange on top. Usually sa mga French pastries, di ba may mga prutas sa taas to make it classy? Tapos, yung prutas na mandarin orange, kahit isang piraso lang yon, yung isang tingi lang na nandun sa on top of the pastry, okay? It's like parang covered siya with jelly. Parang jelly siya na, jelly ace na mandarin orange that has that parang sweetness, may konting tartness, parang medyo giving that parang nakaka-addict. The more na sinisinghot mo to, at ito, it gives you that addictive vibe. Why this one giving the addictive guys? That's why yung mga babae nababaliw sa gantong klaseng scent profile. Yung may konting kiliti ng sweetness.
Anyway, kasi yung mandarin orange tsaka ginger, madidetect mo talaga dito.
Very
Which
present
is ngayon side by side siya. Hindi ko masyado nadidetect dito.
Hindi.
Talagang it's more
on pear.
Yung pear talaga.
Pear talaga yung nagsashine dyan.
But again, guys, if you're familiar with this, yun nga yung signature niya eh. Very fizzy, very popping eh.
Yes.
Ito yung nagawa nito na na-feel naman nagawa ni Legacy.
Oo.
So, Armin, tama ka. Ito na ang bagong panalo.
Okay. Since ito na yung bagong panalo, okay?
Okay.
Are you going to keep this blue talisman ng Ex Nihilo sa collection mo?
Okay.
And would you buy a full bottle of this one?
Ito si
Yes
Armin,
or no?
nilalagay ako sa spotlight eh. Kasi off-cam, sinabi ko sa kanya, ay sabihin ko na sa inyo, I'm willing to sell this na after niya pinaamoy sa akin to. Kasi nga,
Para kasalanan ko.
I kept on whining kay Armin na I find the dry down of Blue Talisman or any fragrance na may Akigala wood,
Yeah.
I find it a mess sa dry down.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
But I can't deny that yung Akigala wood really plays a big role.
Mhm.
Pag nandun pa yung top and middle notes, talagang
Yes.
nagpro-project siya maamoy.
Napopul niya eh.
Pero pag naubos na lahat yon, hindi ko talaga gusto yung dry down.
Hindi mo na
Akigala
ma-appreciate
wood eh.
talaga.
No, ito, kahit wala siyang Akigala wood,
Nandun pa rin yung
it's
citruses.
pleasant eh.
Oo.
From opening to dry down eh. So again, if I won't be biased dahil sa brand and sa price,
Yes.
based on scent alone,
Mhm.
parang feeling ko, okay na ako kahit walang Akigala wood eh. Nakuha niya yung vibes, plus wala yung nakakainis na dry down para sa akin.
Okay.
So, just to answer your question, guys, willing to sell this.
Tapon na natin to, guys. Kumuha na kayo nito. Ratings right now. Stand alone. Kung wala to, at kasama nyo to mga to, how would you rate this one in all aspects as a dupe ng Ex Nihilo?
O ganito na lang, kung irarank ko
Oo. Sige.
closeness.
Closeness. Sige. Go.
Ito pinaka-close, ito next,
Oo.
ito interchangeable.
Okay.
Okay. In terms of yung sinusuot ko talaga,
Okay.
I'll be honest, I like this.
Okay.
This is my second bottle.
Okay.
Itong dalawa interchangeable.
Okay.
Kung gusto ko mas nakakaloko ko ng tao na Blue Talisman, ito.
Okay.
Pero kung gusto ko na parang sobrang long lasting na spray ako sa umaga,
Oo.
hanggang gabi maamoy ako, ito
Okay.
yon.
Okay.
Pero, ito na talaga. Sorry.
Nabaliw na sa
Ito na talaga.
Icarus.
Ito na talaga.
Yan na talaga.
Ito na talaga.
Oh my God.
So, paano ba? Hindi ko na irarank.
Okay.
It will show gaano ko siya nagustuhan.
Oo.
Now, in terms of performance, siguro I'll leave it to Armin
Okay.
to share kung ano yung performance ito kasi hindi ko pa siya na-full wear.
Okay. Now, let's talk about the performance of this particular perfume. Performance ito, it lasted on me mga 7 to 8 hours. Pero I was so satisfied.
On
kasi
skin yan?
on skin to ha, hindi to sa shirt, on skin. Yung tipong maliligo na ako, nakarating na ako sa bahay, ang lagkit na ng katawan ko, and still I can smell it on my skin. I was so enjoying this perfume, but sa umpisa, malakas siya. Malakas siya. Yung tipong akala mo parang, ganun ba siya talaga kala?
Kumusta dry down niya? Naamoy mo pa rin ba yung mandarin?
Nandun pa rin yung citruses.
Hindi siya,
Hindi
medyo
nag-fade
linear
away.
siya.
Akala ko nga, imagine mo, as a dupe, I didn't even expect that they will deliver it as a quality brand. Quality
And
na
guys, for
dupe.
those who don't know, sabi sa akin ni Armin, akala ko nga una Middle Eastern brand yun eh. Yung pala, it's from Indonesia.
Indonesia,
Oh
yeah.
my God, ang galing, ang galing.
Sobrang galing. Tapos,
May kalaban ng mga ME ngayon,
may kalaban na. So, it's like this is like a very big threat, especially sa Middle Eastern brands. So, kabahan na kayo. You need to level up mga Middle Eastern brands how you're going to dupe each bangers na nagte-trend sa designer or niche brands. They need to deliver it in a very perfect condition. So, best suggestion ko is you take your time. Don't just deliver it. Yung tipong halo-halo lang, release na, benta na. No. They took their time. Hinayaan nila talaga lumabas ng mga to. Sige, labas na kayo. Kami, we will come to the point na we will target you exactly on the right timing. Okay? So for me, highly recommended ko siya. Easy on the sprays kayo dito. Projection is very loud for the 2 to 3 hours. Moderate to strong, but it can be more than strong siya. Depende sa amount of sprays you apply. Parang yung inispray ko nga sa iyo ngayon, kahit kahit like past few days, I thought it's extrait de parfum. But where it comes to the point na it's just an EDP lang, but
Sobrang oily, oh.
it acts like a parang extrait de parfum. Imagine that.
Anong rating mo dyan?
Actually, for me, I would rate it this one easily 9 out of 10. As the parang if personally if I will wear it, I will wear it kahit sa mainit na araw, tirik na araw, I will rock the heck out of this one. I wouldn't go with this one kasi hindi siya kaya ng budget ko, or maski sabihin natin kaya ng budget ko,
Hindi
I don't wanna
ako na
spend,
magsasabi
I don't
sa'yo.
wanna waste my money.
You don't need this. Pag sinabi ni Boss Terence na willing na niyang ibenta yan, that says a lot. Alam niya.
Okay. Now, parang okay ka na dun, Boss Terence, ha? Joke lang. Now, ratings mo. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest for this
If
one.
hindi ako nagkakamali, as a dupe, I gave this a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
So I will give, mataas na yun eh. So
Oo.
I should give this higher. I would give this a 9.7 or 9.8 out of 10 as a dupe. Hindi ko lang siya na 10 kasi nga hindi niya pa rin nakopya yung Akigala Wood.
Oo.
Yun lang. But basically, it's not a bad thing. For me
Oo.
nga, mas maganda siya eh. Kasi
Yes.
ayoko yung dry down nun.
Okay.
So,
It's a chef kiss.
yes.
All right. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Bago kayo magtanong sa mga tumapos ng video na yan, wag niyo sana kaming tanungin kung saan nabibili yan kasi
Hindi pa siya
hindi pa siya available sa market. Pero alam ko nahahype na siya across air. We're crossing our fingers na
Yeah.
may mag-distribute na yan dito.
Yes, yes.
So, ayun, marami rin nag-PM kay Boss Armin na,
Yeah.
na nakita yung first content niya.
Yeah, the first impressions.
Tapos may mga nag-message din sa amin, kailan niyo i-review? Oh, ito na.
Ang
ito na.
kukulit nila eh.
Buti pinagbigyan ako ni Armin, sinama niya ako dito sa
Oo.
and I'm so happy and
Yeah.
grateful.
It's good to have you here in our episode. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And let us know in the comment section which Blue Talisman Schmoops is your favorite. Have you tried this one? What's your experience about it? And like, comment, share, and wag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin, hindi para sa ibang tao. Till next time, Fragrance Family, create memories of each perfume you have it on your collection. Love you. Mwah.
Armin, cut mo na, putik ang init.
Init na.